In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text animation in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business slideshow, or a YouTube intro slide, adding animation to your text can make your slides look more professional, more engaging, and much more dynamic. I'll walk you through everything from selecting your text to customizing the timing and previewing the final result. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use the desktop app or PowerPoint Online. Both work perfectly for adding text animations. Once you're inside PowerPoint, open an existing presentation or create a new blank slide where you want to add your animated text. Now, click on the text box that contains the text you want to animate. If you don't already have text on your slide, simply go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and draw a text box anywhere on your slide. Then, type in the text you want to animate. After your text is ready, make sure the text box is selected. You should see a border around it when it's properly selected. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Animations tab. This is where all animation tools are located in PowerPoint. As soon as you click on Animations, you'll see a row of basic animation effects like Appear, Fade, Fly In, and more. If you want to see more animation options, click on the small drop-down arrow in the animation gallery. This will expand the full list of available animations. You'll see entrance effects, emphasis effects, exit effects, and motion paths. Entrance effects control how the text appears on the slide. Emphasis effects add movement or highlights while the text is visible. Exit effects control how the text leaves the slide. Now go ahead and select any animation that you like. For example, you can choose Fade for a smooth appearance, or Fly In if you want the text to slide in from a direction. As soon as you click on an animation, it will automatically apply to your selected text. After applying the animation, you can adjust the timing settings. Look toward the right side of the animations toolbar. Here you'll see options like Start, Duration, and Delay. The Start option lets you choose whether the animation begins on click, after previous, or with previous. Duration controls how fast or slow the animation plays. Delay allows you to add a pause before the animation starts. You can experiment with these timing controls to get the exact effect you want. For example, if you want the text to appear automatically without clicking, set it to after previous. If you want a slower, smoother animation, increase the duration slightly. Once everything is set, click on the Preview button in the Animations tab. This will play the animation so you can see exactly how it looks. If you're not happy with it, you can always change the animation style or adjust the timing again. And that's it. That's how you add text animation in PowerPoint quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to transform plain text into something much more eye-catching and professional. Try combining different animations across multiple slides to make your entire presentation more engaging. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.